Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Japanese style folder tabs. As you saw in the last video I did American style, this is a Japanese style. So I have these sticky notes here, and one says point, the other says check, one says important, the other says point, and the other says check and important. These are what these look like. So I'm going to use these as my folder tabs. Now, just like the last video, you want to glue these two sheets together. Unfortunately, I can't find my glue stick right now. So for the sake of the video, let's say I glued these together, just like the last time. So here's what you do. You take one of these. I like blue, so I'm going to take a blue one. Pull it off. And then what you do, you go to the furthest upper left-hand corner, and you want it raised a little bit. So what you do is you go like this. And there you go. That's what that looks like. You write what you need on that. You go and search for what you need. I got these at Daiso as well. They were $3 a piece, but you get a lot of each color that's on here. So I use blue because I like blue. So these are a good thing to have, and just like that, you have a Japanese style folder tab. So anyway, I know this is a short video, but that's how it goes with this. So these are very simple to make, just like the other one. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.